Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, children. Mahaganadhipataye. Mahaganadhipataye. Yeah. Children, observe there is a figure on the board. Triangle ABC and DBC are isosceles triangles. ABC, DBC are isosceles triangles. Okay. That means these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. Given triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles triangles. That is, AB is equal to AC, BB is equal to DC. Given. This is given. Okay? And both A and AD, the points A and D are on the same side of BC. Means both A and D, they are above BC. Now, AD is extended to meet BC at P. AD is extended to meet BC at P. Okay. Now, what we have to prove? Required to prove. First one, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. First one. Second one, what we have to prove? Triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Third one, what we have to prove? AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. AP bisects angle A and angle D. And fourth one, what we have to prove? AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. That is, AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. That is, angle APB and angle APC 90 degrees, and not only that, BP is equal to PC. This is what we have to prove. A big sum. Now, let us think about this one. First one, triangle ABD ACD. Triangle ABD ACD. Now, are they congruent? If they are congruent, what is the congruency criteria? Anyone? Triangle ABD, triangle ACD. Triangle ABD, triangle ACD. If they are congruent, by what criteria? Okay, na? What congruency criteria? Triple S. Aniket says triple S. So I will also triple S. Yes, by see, AB and AC are equal, given. DB, DC are equal, given. AD common side. AD common side. So by triple S congruency condition, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Okay. Now we need to write CPCT parts now. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. So from this first one, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6 by CPCT. By CPCT. Okay na? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. They are equal by CPCT because we have these two triangles are congruent by triple S congruency na? So the remaining three parts, the angles are also equal, triple S. Okay na? Right. Next, second one, ABP, ACP. Are they congruent? Triangle ABP, see children, triangle ABP and ACP. If they are congruent, by which criteria? If they are congruent, by which criteria? Think and tell me. If they are congruent, by which criteria they are congruent? If these triangles are congruent, by which criteria they are congruent? SAS, very good. Bashita saying SAS. How? See, AD is equal to AC given. AP common side. You can draw the triangles. APB, APC. These two are equal. This is the common side. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay na?
Hello?
By SAS.
Hello?
By SAS. SAS congruency criteria. Okay. Now, by SAS congruency criteria, triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. Triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. Okay. Now, we need to write CPCT then. What is that? This is the first one. Now, second one we have to see. Second one CPCT. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Okay. Next one, BP is equal to PC. BP is equal to PC. Okay. And third one, angle APB is equal to angle APC. Angle APB is equal to angle APC. APB, this one. These two angles are equal. So from the combined figure, this angle equal to this angle. Okay. This angle equal to this angle. And these two sides are equal by CPCT. Okay na? Right. So 2 is done. Now third one. See, AB bisects angle A. already done. AP is bisecting angle A, dividing into two equal parts. It is already done since angle 1 is equal to angle 2. AP bisects angle A and D. Now first think about angle A. AP, is AP bisecting angle A or not? From the first result, what we got? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, na? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Is that right? That means AP is dividing angle A into two equal angles. So AP bisects angle A. That is done. Now second one. AP bisects angle D. Angle D. See, angle D means this one. We need to prove these two are equal. How? See here. These two angles are equal. I am naming this is A, small a, this is small b. I am naming this is small a and this is small b. Now, angle phi plus A is 180. Angle phi plus A is 180, linear pair. And angle 6 plus B is also 180, linear pair of angles. Now, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Angle phi plus A is equal to angle 6 plus B. But angle 5 and 6 are equal, na? 5 and 6 are equal, so we can cancel them. So angle A is equal to angle B. If these two are equal, that means AP bisects angle D also. AP bisects angle D also. Okay. Okay, children, understood? Is that understood? From the first result, we know angle 5 is equal to angle 6. But angle 5 plus A is 180. Angle 6 plus B is also 180, linear pair. So 5 plus A 180, 6 plus B 180. So things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So 5 plus A is equal to 6 plus B. But 5 and 6 are equal, we can cancel them. Equals are removed from equals. The remainings are equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. So what we observe? AB divides or bisects angle A as well as angle D. Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle A is equal to angle D. So third one is over. Now fourth one. Fourth one, what is asking? Prove that AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. Now see here. Second one. The results of second one. We got this one and this one. BP is equal to PC. BP is equal to PC means AP bisect BC kada. From the second, we got this result. From the second RTP, we got the result by CPCP. In this, we can observe BP is equal to PC. BP and PC are equal, he is saying. That means AP is bisecting BC, that is done. Now second one, angle APB, this angle APC, this angle are equal, but they are linear pair of angles. Angle APB and APC. APB, angle APB, this one, APC, this one. Both forms linear pair. Angle APB plus angle APC is 180, linear pair. Okay, but we know they are equal. They forms linear pair, but they are equal also. That means each is 90 degrees only, na? See, Aniket and Gautam, let it be. Aniket and Gautam both are having 100 rupees. Together they are having 100 rupees. And both are having same rupees, same money with them. Then each will have. Listen to my question carefully once again. Aniket and Gautam together have 100 rupees with them. together. Okay. Now, if I say both are having equal money, then each will have how much? 50. Is that right? In the same way, sum of these two angles is 180 and both are equal. Sum of these two angles is 180. These two angles is 180 and they are equal. Both are equal. Then each angle will be? Then each angle will be? $90. Very good. So this angle 90. This angle is also 90. So AP bisects BC. It not only bisects BC, it is perpendicular to BC. Because angle APB 90 degrees, na? So AP bisects BC and moreover it is perpendicular to BC. That means AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, na? So this is about the first question. Okay. It's a big question. Now we'll go to second one now. Now see the second question. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. There is an isosceles triangle ABC and AD is the altitude. What is given? Triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. And not only that, AD perpendicular to BC. That means these two angles 90 degrees. Okay, na? So what we have to prove? AD bisects BC. Required to prove AD bisects BC. That is BD is equal to DC. We have to prove. AD bisects BC means BD is equal to DC. We need to prove these two are equal. And second one, AD bisects angle A. Second one, AD bisects angle A. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, na children? We need to prove these two. This one and this one. Just I am writing the meaning of. See, AD bisects BC. What is the meaning of it? We need to prove BD is equal to DC. AD bisects angle A. What is the meaning of it? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We need to prove. How to do it? Anyone? How to do it? How can we prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and BD is equal to DC? Any idea from your side? How can we prove that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal and BD is equal to DC? I told you in the class, see, BD is a part, we need to prove BD is equal to DC, na? We need to prove BD is equal to DC, is that right? Okay. Now BD is a part of which triangle? BD is a part of which triangle? Anyone? BD is a part of which triangle? It is ABD triangle. And DC is a part of ACD triangle. Okay. Not only that, angle 1 is in ABD and angle 2 is in ACD. So our aim is, if we prove these two triangles are congruent, automatically by CPCT, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, BD is equal to DC. Done. Simple problem. But our task is, we have to prove triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent. Are they congruent? If they are congruent, by which criteria? Fast children. RHS. Anika says RHS. Meghana AAS. Meghana, why AAS? Why AAS? Where are the two angles equal? We need to prove. See, don't take angle 1 is equal to angle 2, Meghana. We have to prove it. We have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Soheli, how AAS? How AAS? Justify. I am waiting for your answer, Soheli. How AAS? You cannot take angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. You need to prove it. And you cannot take BD is equal to DC also. You have to prove it. Yes, RH is correct. How? See. Proof. AB is equal to AC. Hypotenuse. AB and AC. AB, you cannot take. AB is equal to AC, hypotenuse. AD, common side. AD, common side. And angle ADB is equal to ADC, 90 degrees, given. Angle ADB, angle ADC, 90 degrees given, because AD is perpendicular to BC given. So by RHS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay. Therefore, BD is equal to DC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Not only that, these two angles are also equal. By CPCT. By CPCT. Now, see the required to prove over 2. Inka bonus ga manaki angle B is equal to angle C అని కూడా తెలుసు. That is bonus. Okay ne? Next, third question. See the third question. two sides AB, BC and median AM of one triangle ABC respectively equal to sides PQ, QR, median PN of triangle PQR. Show that there are two triangles. There are two triangles ABC PQR. AD is median of this triangle. PN is median of this triangle. Okay, children. So what is given? What is given? AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. AD is equal to PN and DC is equal to QR. This is given. Required to prove. First one, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM. Oh, sorry, ABM, not M. ABM is congruent to PQN. And second one, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, na? Now, proof. AM PN, if this side is equal to this side, these two are equal. Okay. AB is equal to PQ, given AD is AM, sorry, not AD, AM. AM is equal to PN, given BC is equal to QR, that is also given. And what we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ABM is congruent to PQN first. Are they congruent? If they are congruent, by which criteria? Not only that, what is given? AM, PN are medians. They are medians. That is also given. AM, PN are medians. Okay, na? What is the meaning of median? Median divides a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. A line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side means AM is a median. That is BM is equal to MC. These two are equal. Okay, alright. PN is median. That is QN is equal to NC. QN is equal to NC. Okay, na? Now tell me how this triangle and this triangle are congruent. How can we prove those two triangles are congruent? Japan, AM and Japan. AM is a median. That means AM divides BC into two equal parts. These two parts are equal. And these two parts are equal. Okay, Harika says triple S. How triple S? AB is equal to PQ. AM is equal to PN. What is the third part? What is the third part? I am able to write only two parts, and you are saying triple S. How it become triple S? How triple S बना है? What is the third part? Is BM is equal to QN? Is BM is equal to QN? Why? BM is equal to QN. Why? Question. AB equal to PQ given. AM is equal to PN, that is also given. But how can you say BM and QN are equal? BC QR is given equal. But you are saying BM and QN are equal. How? How they are equal? If you say BC is equal to QR, I'll say yes. But you are saying BM is equal to QN. How they are equal? How can you say? Okay, I'll explain. See, BC is equal to QR. Given that? BC is equal to QR. Given. Can I write BC as 2BM? Can I write BC as 2BM? Because BM, MC both are equal. So I'll write BC as 2BM. In the same way, QR as 2QN. These two get cancelled. BM is equal to QN. BM is equal to QN. Okay, na? So by triple S, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Okay, na? Now we need to write CPCT parts. We need to write the CPCT parts. This is also equal. We need to write CPCT parts. What are they? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CP. By CP. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CP. Okay. So first one done, and we wrote CP parts also. First one is done. Triple S congruency. Now we need to see about second one. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR, are they congruent? ABC, PQR, are they congruent? If they are congruent, what is the criteria? If they are congruent, what is the criteria? What is the criteria? Children, see, given AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to PQ, sorry, not AC, AB is equal to PQ, and BC is equal to QR, that is also given. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and this one we can take, this one. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q from the CPCT portion. From the CPCT of first one, we can consider angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay na? So, by SAS congruency criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. By SAS congruency criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, children? So first one triple S, second one SAS. Okay, children? Now problem 4 and 5 are homework. Problem 4 and 5 are homework. Okay na? So with this the triangle chapter is done. Okay. Why only 17 people are joined? Okay, please click on the like button. I saw 24. Before it was 24 over there. Now they left. Yeah. Now click on the like button, children. Aniket, take attendance. Yes. Take attendance, Aniket. Okay, you can leave now. Thank you very much.